slogan for the entire state. No? It is a complete trust in God. And we are trying our best to ensure that whatever we do is for the glory of God. As most of you, if not all, must be aware of the fact that I have been visiting Garo Hills frequently in the last 2 to 3 years. And some people, they are wondering how this Baden keeps coming, but without establishing his party in Garo Hills. They fail to understand why he is not establishing his party in Garo Hills. Because we feel that we should not rush in constituting our units in Garo Hills unless we see that those people who would like to join the party are fully subscribed to the philosophy, the ideology, and the belief of the party. Because the Voice of the People Party is not just another political party. We have made it very clear the day we announced to float this party that the Voice of the People Party is going to be a party with a difference. It is not only a party where our aim and objective is to contest election and win election only. It is going to be a movement where we will bring about a change in Meghalaya, especially a political change. I think that we will get the number to form the government from khasi jaiñtia. Our frequent visit to Garo Hills does not imply that we badly want to be in the government. No. We want that our brothers, our Achik brothers and sisters, should also get the chance to know what is the aims, objectives and goal of the Voice of the People Party, because it is going to benefit them also. If we are in the government, we may not have representation from Garo Hills, but we are not going to leave this part of the state because we are, called to serve the state of Meghalaya, not to serve a particular community like a khasi community only. So, which is why we want that you, our Achik brothers and sisters, should understand this. So if you understand this, what is your duty? Don't you think that it is your duty to join hands with us? Don't you think that it is your job to strengthen the party, to work? Because the Voice of the People Party is here to offer protection and benefits for the people of the state and the people of this region also.
Kumbakalong hi kadon ka jisha ka bakraw ba kadon ka jingkrang jeki pai ba Garo Hills ba ka Voice of the People Party kan yar sa Garo Hills ban pung pendrung dekot ban sengi kan ka party shanish po Garo Hills te kum ginong elam ngilawan her bonsin bat ngilayo kan ikundo iki bobon ba kibril akaling-kaling ke district bat ngilai ke jing slop ya ka jing identity kadau kabala pelongi dengan sengi ke parti thong jing tumu ke jing makanong rim ke jing ko ba kalong manta kalong ka smooth na bangin tip ba kata ka jing trang ke jong ki ne ki riurang ba ki pai ba jing Garo Hills kala kinisha ba kalong ka ba scam namar nila lum iki nila pawan bat nila tenjo iki haduk anu kadon kata ka jing angnut bat menta kasing kala don ke jing kendo bani slop hadin bagi layo bani slop haki por ki menshwa bat nagawi ka jimut kilarai bakin sedangno kirki ya kani ka parti ka jing bat dena kata kata hukum kinong alam ni mencur banyin bu shwai ka ad hoc committee hai gede baga Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party kenang bagani ka Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party kan sedang ban lum ban lang ban slok ikibriu ban ai ke jing pensai jing pensoko kani kami namar kaladon ke jing krang bat ke jing angnut mangin hap ban sedang no ye kene kam support garlis ban ni smutu habangi don sini support garlis kat habangi kendo nakalong ki rong ba nakalong ki riu don prom kila pen pau shahi ba komba kalong hi kan de sang voice of the people party ka kabarlong kata ka alternative mo wei pat kala nakam taki nongsong snong ha ka jila meghalaya bakinyo ya ka sarkar kabaron ka jing sokya nam ta jiki pai ba te nilala ban seng igre ka ad hoc committee jon ka Garo Hills zone jon ka voice of the people party mata ka si pat ka basngo trat kalong bakidon kiri rong ba jon ka hangni po Garo Hills ki belong ki nongelam ki beri ki senior citizens kin bedon ha ka kam shakrible kiba lakloi ru banlong ki no ai jimut ki nong ye betin linti ya kani ka ad hoc committee khnang bengila banon ra pat ya ka ta ka district committee ka ba khlan ha kani ka dong ka thai bat sikiwi pa ki district te kata ka ka khobor ka bang ban pau bat na sno ban ai ngu ible na ka ti ka jong u bat ka jinya linti ka jingi ka ba ngi yo ban mat sa ya kani pat ka cap jong ka jing job ha ka jinya linti jingi bengila ban sing ban lum ya ki rangba ya ki samla ki ba penpau shisha ba kumba kalong manta kim don shu da ka wei pat ka jing prakhat na ni ka jing artatien ni ka voice of the people party nei ban I ba ka ri tang ni ka party ka ban yeng nam ta jingi ki try ka ha ka jala